Ang masaya. Ayun. Yung pala sayaw nila. Hindi tayo makalampas. Iikutan natin ito. Shout out! Ayun. Pinagpausap na. Ayun. Woo! Ayun. Ayan mga kababayan, dito tayo sa Mississauga Halal Festival. Dito tayo sa Mississauga Halal Festival. Oh, right. Ang saya, ang saya. Dito tayo. Madaming tao, hindi tayo makadaan. Hindi tayo makalampas. Iikutan natin ito. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung anong makikita dito. Ito ay Halal Festival dito sa Mississauga. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung ano mga niluluto dito. Masyado malakas yung kanilang sound system. Oh. Ayun pala. Kaya pala nagkakagulo lang sa dami ng bumibili. Ayan ang mga menu nila. Kabuli, palomit, $20. Tapli kebab. Ayan o, tingnan natin ito. Yun. Pinagpausap na. Ayun. Woo! Walang apoy. Puro usok. Meron pang Papay Louisiana, ayun. Tingnan natin yung gumagawa ng sweet. Ayun, gumagawa siya ng sweet. Ito naman sa kabila. Oh, may samosa pa, oh. Samosa ng Indian. Pagka merong Pinoy Festival, hindi ganito karaming tao.
Halo!
Manila, Taste of Manila, yan meron. Pero yung mga ganito,
99!
Parang pangkaraniwan na lang sa kanilang napakaraming tao dito. Oh. Punong-puno yung Celebration Square. Ito, Taste of Egypt. Ayan, ang Taste of Egypt. Oh. Ayun. Pati tindera, maganda.
Alright guys, so now we're going to have you pick a hobby to disqualify from the game. Which one of these does not have the iPad? Is it 3, 2, or 1? Do you ask audience?
Meron pang mangga. Hindi naman yata ito ang Indian mango. Ayan. Matamis kaya ito? Mamaya titigman natin. Ito naman, Dickies Barbecue. Ayan. Dickie Barbecue Pit. Kay Dickies. Burger Factory. Ito naman mga mukhang Indian din ito. Hello, Taste of Tradition. Kung gusto nilang makita sa video. For meaty moments. Ayan. Ano din pala yan? Samosa. Ito naman mga matamis. Tingnan natin. Tingnan naman natin yun ng program kung anong ginagawa.
Imagine, I'm not responsible for my knowledge. You find that guy after, they know me. Alright, cool. Next contestant on stage, please.
Mukhang may kainan doon natin puntahan. Parang competition ng kainan. Shout out! Sa mga beautiful girls. Wow! Tingnan nyo, ang daming tao. Kumakain sila ng halal food.
Please, yeah, make some noise on my own. Check. Oh, you know what? Opposite. Whoever wants a big t-shirt, don't make any noise at all. First one to make noise loses.
Parang may palayok doon.
Now, who
Oh.
wants a t-shirt? Well done, kid. He looked me right in the eye. He didn't say a word. I want that t-shirt.
Tingnan natin yung kaganapan din eh.
Huh? Okay, perfect, yeah. Who else wants a t-shirt over there? Over
Oh.
there? Left side? We gotta show left side some love. We gotta show left
Mukhang may
side some
kainan dito. Tingnan natin kung sino mananalong kainan.
For this free t-shirt, what's my name? What's my name? That's what I thought. For this free t-shirt, what's my name? No.
Kumar!
There you go. Thank you, sir. My name is Chad. My name is Chad Rokan.
Chad.
Last t-shirt. Who is the title sponsor? Who is the title sponsor of this event? Who is the title
Oh,
sponsor?
laki nun.
Who is the title sponsor? Who is the title sponsor of this event? Ed Hardy! There we go. All right, guys. Now here's the thing. Son, I'll give you this. Everybody can win, but everybody loses sometimes. You guys are winners. I'm gonna see you later. If you give me a point, after you call me out, I'm gonna get you something. Don't worry about it. Don't you worry about it. You guys know. All right, guys, coming to the stage. We're one more contestant, right? Like I said, I'm just to give a win. But I go. So right now,
Laban ng matatakaw.
I'm gonna bring someone on stage. I'm gonna see if I can help him. What's the deal for? Huh? Say two? 2? Okay. Okay. Alright, guys. Make some noise if you pick number 2. Okay. Okay. Number 2 is your hobby. Okay. Alright, Mandeep. Pick one of these to disqualify, and then our bankers. You know what? The bankers are very nice today. You might get a good offer, bad offer. I don't know. But let's see what you disqualify. Would you, guys, yell it out. Should he get rid of 1? Should he get rid of 3? Should he get rid of 4?
Oh.
Get rid of what?
Chicken sikh kebab. I think this is for free.
Get rid of. Okay, make some noise if you wanted to eliminate number 4. What the offer is right after this moment.
Okay, let's go around. Ikot-ikot tayo dito.
Eliminated the headphone.
Tingnan natin yung mga kung anong kinakain nila.
Guys. If it's not the iPad, we make some noise. You deleted the headphone. Thank you. All right. All right. Mr. Bakersop. Headphones are gone, which is a pretty good price. But you still have the iPad. Off the top of your head, what is it worth to you to get it out of here? What are we gonna do? Guys, whatever he says, we do, no matter what.
Okay, balik tayo dun sa kainan. Parang mas masaya doon. Maingay nga lamang. Tingnan natin yung kaganapan doon sa kainan ulit. Baka maraming... Nagpasiklab. So sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe dyan, ito na ang pagkakataon nyo dahil linggo-linggo meron tayong mapapanood. Linggo-linggo ako nag-upload ng video ng mga kainan sa iba't ibang city. Ayan ang mga patuloy pa rin ang pagdami ng mga tao dito sa Mississauga Halal Festival. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga kung saan nanggagaling sila. Ito, may magaganda. May ilag sila, may ilag. Ayan. Ayun ang parkingan nila, oh, dami. Dami nakapark doon. Okay. Balik na tayo para matapos na itong ating munting vlog tungkol sa Halal Festival. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng halal. Napahiya ako doon, nakatingin sa akin. Ayan. Matatas lang yan. Na pinaikot-ikot. Potato. Ayan ang potato. Potato ng mga... Nagkakagulo na naman dito. Talagang masayang-masaya. Yun. Yung pala sayaw nila. Ayan o. Ayan ang mga ekip. Ayan, may sumama na. Ayun na, oh. Pagod na si Habibi. Pagod na si Habibi.
Can we say hi?
Ay, shout out. Hello. Oh. Very hard to do. Oh. Kakapalitan tayo dito ng mukha.
And after the first day, I mean, I was worried you're like, not
Oh. Okay, we're almost through.
Oh, that's why I told you my friends in the volcano did the challenge and like today.
Ito na. Malapit na tayo sa ating finish line. Padami na ng padami. Oo, sobra na. Takas na tayo dito. Takas na tayo dito.
And then we might also get a manager.
Oh. At yun yung kunan bago tayo umalis. Ayan o. Oh, dami na naman. Ito pala yung mga taga London pa oh. Best rib 2015. Ayan ang kanilang presyo. Ay, nakatakas din tayo. Ayun na. Ganitong karaming nakatira dito. Ito palibot-libot ng Mississauga. Okay. So, huwag nyo lang kalilimutan mag-subscribe dahil linggo-linggo meron tayong video sa Noli City Tour. Thank you and bye-bye.